Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Luxury Haul Unveiling. So we're going to go right ahead and get into it. We're starting off with Guess, and it's a Guess purse. So we're going to unravel what's inside the box. Now, as you can see, it's a white box with intricate gold writing. It looks very nice indeed. Oh wow, so here's how it's looking. It's got the logo in a triangular at the front. It's leather. It's got the zip up compartment with lots of different compartments, and again the middle section for your change, and at the back it's also got another zip up part here. So this is quite handy for everyday use, yeah, on your day-to-day affairs. Okay ladies, and we're going to go right ahead and unveil what's in the next box. So let's set this right here, and we'll move the packaging over there. So in this red box we've got Mario Valentino, and you know Valentino is one of my favorite brands. Okay, I like the packaging, as you can see. And let's unveil inside the box. So again, the front has the Valentino logo written in gold metal, and inside spacious compartments, very adequate to hold all of your cards. If you can see this part here, okay, and it feels really good. So this is more when you're going out in the evening. It goes very well with a cocktail dress, and it looks very appealing when you set it on the counter. Okay, we're not doing bad at all. Right, and we're going to set that over here. Moving on to the next one, Michael Kors. So we are unboxing the Michael Kors sandals, and as you're aware, the last time we unveiled the Coach sandals, so it's around the time of year whereby we're getting ready for spring, we're getting ready for the summer. And again, if you're going away abroad to the Caribbean or to African continents, this is very good to have with you. Okay, durable, comfortable, long lasting and good quality. So here we are. As you can see, it's got the MK logo right there. It's a cute design. Look how the foot comes in here, good support, and what I like about it the most, it's got a little box heel, low flat box heel going on. So that's different, which lets you know it can go nicely with your evening wear. If you're having cocktails on the beach, this is the way to go. But don't get too happy, because this one is actually my mother's. It's not my size. So I'm not going to get overtly happy, all right? But mum has a unique taste, all right? So yeah, you know where I get it from. Okay, moving swiftly along. Let's put this back in its box. But it looks absolutely nice. Okay, so and that's the Michael Kors sandals 2024 for this summer. Okay, so let's set that right here. And last but not least, let's see what's inside it. Wow. Ta-da! Hey! So this is Marc Jacobs, okay, New York. And literally what's exciting me about this bag, it came personally from New York. Thank you, Auntie. Okay, and again, as you can see, it's very spacious. All right, so this is another one going to Mum's collection. All right, now let's see the inside. Wow, it is 3 or 4 tone. Okay, so there's camel, there's beige on this side, camel on the inside, camel on the straps, and generous amount of compartments, as you can see. Yeah, it's also got the logo stitched in with a leather patch on the inside. It's got the Marc Jacobs, and it's got quite a deep zip-up compartment. Now let's open the middle. Very well packaged. Yeah, spacious, deep. Ladies, this solves all of your problems. You can fit everything in there and still have room. So yeah, that's the other compartment there. And again, at the front, you have this section right here, and you've got the logo right there. So that's the Marc Jacobs, straight from New York, and yeah, very comfortable. And again, yeah, so mother's got good exquisite taste. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's luxury unveiling. And yes, as promised, the hair, okay, it's Hair by Quiche Monique. That's Hair by Quiche Monique. The description should be popping up right about now, okay? And it's an exclusive service, exclusive location, and her skills is just absolutely outstanding. So I'm going to put the details in the description box, and you can locate her on Instagram, TikTok, Hair by Quiche Monique. All right, so see you soon. Bye for now.